baby. How you doing, baby? Yeah, baby. You think it's over, baby? Or maybe. How can I please you? You know, let's go to my room and then I can whisper to your ear softly.
Sinu isa!
Ma räägin, talle ei ole viga mitte midagi.
Tema tool, tema see, vaata!
Kus, ma räägin, talle ei ole häda mitte midagi.
Ta põleb, bliin!
Isa, kurat!